Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by confirming your Mac has the latest system updates and enough free space. This prevents install failures. Next, plug your iPhone into the Mac with a known good cable, unlock the device, and tap Trust when prompted so the Mac can access it. Then open Finder on modern Mac OS or iTunes on older systems and select your iPhone from the sidebar. You're now ready to move from preparation into the actual update process. Once your iPhone appears in Finder or iTunes, click Check for Update to let the Mac fetch available iOS versions and read the release notes to know what changes to expect. Choose Download and Update so the Mac downloads the IPSWA and prepares the device. Make sure the iPhone stays connected and awake. When prompted, enter your device passcode to authorize the install and follow on-screen prompts. The Mac will handle verification and file transfer automatically. Let the Mac complete the install. You'll see progress bars and the iPhone may reboot several times, so do not disconnect until it finishes and the home screen appears. If the process stalls or shows errors, restart both your Mac and iPhone, then try again. Often a simple reboot fixes transient communication problems. If the update still fails, use DFU Restore as a last resort after backing up. This wipes the device but can resolve deep firmware issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.